Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up OpenCode integrated with VS Code. Now I have to install curl on Linux. Right-click on desktop. Click Open in terminal. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. Type password here, then hit enter. Type clear. Hit enter. Type sudo apt install curl. Hit enter. Press Y, hit enter. Now curl is installed. Type clear. Hit enter. Go to web browser. Go to Google. Go to search. OpenCode. Press enter. Click OpenCode, the open source AI coding agent. Copy this curl command. Go to terminal. Paste the copied command here. Press enter. Installing OpenCode. It will take a few seconds. Now OpenCode installed successfully. Type clear. Press enter. Type OpenCode. Press enter. OK, it's not recognize OpenCode. You need to close terminal. Minimize web browser. Open terminal again. Type OpenCode. Press enter. Now OpenCode is running. /models. Press enter. Now you can see the free available models here. I will select Nemotron 3 Super. Press enter. Select variant. Default. Hit enter. Nemotron 3 Super is selected. Type hi. Press enter. Hi, how can I help you? Now you can see the OpenCode is installed and Nemotron 3 model free version is selected. Now I am going to set up OpenCode in VS Code. Now close terminal. Click close terminal. Now I am going to download VS Code. Go to web browser. Type download VS Code. Press enter. Click on download Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code official website is open. Click on Debian. Now the downloading is started. It is 151 megabits setup file. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Click on Open folder. Here it is our setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open in terminal. Type ls. Hit enter. Type sudo dpkg-i. Select the VS Code setup name. Right-click. Click copy. Paste the copied file here. Hit enter. Type password, then hit enter. Select yes. Press enter. Now VS Code is installed. Close terminal. Close downloads. Close web browser. Go to applications. Click Visual Studio Code. Welcome to VS Code. Click Continue without sign in. Select Theme. Click Continue. Click Get Started. Now VS Code is open. Go to Explorer. Click Open folder. Click Downloads. Create a new folder. Set folder name. OpenCode-project. Click Create. Click Open. Maximize OpenCode. Check on Trust the author of all files. Yes, I trust the author. Go to Extensions. Go to Search Extensions. Type OpenCode. Click Install. Now OpenCode is installed. Go to OpenCode icon. Now OpenCode is open in VS Code. You can see the model Nemotron 3 Super. Type Hi. Press Enter. Hello, how can I assist you today? Create a sample resume template in HTML. Hit Enter. Now sample resume template is created. Go to Explorer. Click on resume template.html. Let's right-click on it. Click Open Containing Folder. Right-click on this file. Open with Firefox web browser. Now you can see the resume template. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to set up OpenCode integrate in VS Code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.